Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how I made this shirt. This time I'm going to try to make the little circles darker, but this is the idea. Okay, you're going to need 6 rubber bands and a t-shirt. Print Gear is where I get them for like $2.25 or so. You do need to have a resale license for that, but it's no biggie. I mean, get your resale license is worth it. And I'm going to talk about resale license in another video, but first I want to finish my series on the tie-dye. Okay, so for this t-shirt we're going to need 6 rubber bands, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be grabbing on the sleeve, like right in the middle, and put 1 rubber band. You can do any combination, okay, but this is what I did on the other t-shirt that the blue one I showed you, and kind of bring all your rubber band together, just like so, and then do the other sleeve. And like I said in the other videos, I've been using rhinestones to kind of give it a little bling bling, and they have been very successful. Okay, I'm going to be putting a picture of the little tool that I use to put the rhinestone. It's very inexpensive, and you can add a little bit of bling bling to it, and you can sell them for, I sell them between $14.95 and $17.95. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine right now in the middle, where I'm going to do it here, and in the back I'm going to do it here, so it has like a contrast. So I'm just going to grab in the middle from only the top, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and do that with my rubber band. This is so easy to make, and people really like them. Okay, I go to a farmer's market, and because it's handmade and organic, they let me set up a booth, so I've been doing that. So we're going to put in 1 here and 1 right here. Go right in the middle and put your rubber band, just like so. So I'm using a green, 2 different tones of green, and I'll show you right now. But so we're going to turn it around, and in this case, it's on this side, so we're going to grab it on this side, right around there. When you sell these shirts, you guys, let people know that not every shirt is going to have the same tone, that not every shirt is going to have the design just exactly the same, because they all come out different, okay? And then we go here, the other one is on this side, so we're going to go on this side, and just go ahead and put the rubber band. Make sure that you have a piece of wet cloth, like kitchen cloth, or any rag, microfiber rag, so that you can clean the sides, because you don't want the white areas to absorb, you know, the dye that it doesn't need to be there. So here's my t-shirt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of the areas. I'm going to be using this green, and for the whole shirt, I'm going to be using the water that is left from the video before. Okay, so we're going to use that one. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the dye right around the rubber band, just like so. Make sure it gets really, really wet. Oh, this one grabbed too much. So just like that. Okay, all around. You can put it in the middle and soak some more, just like so. And make sure you wipe. Always wipe, because you don't want these very strong, very hard colors in your shirt, okay? So then you're going to grab the other end, and you're going to do the same thing, okay? Right there. So you're going to go ahead and let the dye absorb into the t-shirt around the rubber band,
okay, just like so. And absorb it all around. Okay, just like so. Okay, so there it is. And go ahead and wipe, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and grab another one and bring it here. Wipe. Right in here. And we're gonna do the same thing. So let's go ahead and do all of them, and we'll continue to the next step. Okay, here it is. I already did all my sides, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna just bring it down, and you're gonna grab your bottle of the ink and just kind of drop some paint randomly. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then go over the paint, just like so. And you guys, if you are enjoying my videos, would you mind giving me thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed, please do, and share it with your friends. I really appreciate that. So we're just gonna do the same thing we did with the front. The front. I sounded French right here. Okay, so you're gonna go like this. Okay, and then you're gonna just bring it in and put it in a plastic bag, and we're gonna leave it like this for about, let's do 3 hours. We want this color to really go into the t-shirt, so that when we put it in here, the color doesn't fade away. Okay. Welcome back. It's been 3 hours. I waited 3 hours while I did another shirt, and this has been here for 3 hours. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is, your t-shirt looks like this on both sides. So now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna put, with the rest of the paint that we put water to dilute it, you're gonna go in here and bring it all in. Okay, get it all completely wet. Okay, make sure all the sides of the shirt gets wet. So this is how it looks. Okay, we're going to let it dry, and then we'll go ahead and finish with the last step. Remember that you need to wait a day or two, and then wash them on hot water, or just soak them in hot water, so that you can get some of the color out and know exactly how the shirt is gonna look. Okay, but for now, this is it. I'm gonna let it soak all the color for a while, maybe 2-3 hours, and then finish it up. Welcome back. So we're ready to open these, the t-shirt that we left for 3 hours. I left mine for 3 hours. It's still wet, of course, but now we're gonna go ahead and reveal how it looks like. We're gonna take out all the rubber bands, and you can rinse your rubber bands and reuse them if you like. I love to recycle stuff. Number one, because it saves me money, and number two, because it's just the earth we need to keep our earth safe. Okay, so we're revealing how the t-shirt looks. And see how pretty it looks. Okay, and on the other side, same thing. Okay, and all I need to do is wash it. Remember, wash it on hot, and then I can go ahead and put the rhinestones here and put it on my website. So in the next few days, I'm gonna be working on my website. It's Mommy's Marketplace. If you wanna check it out, so you can check my prices. Right now, everybody needs a little source of income. That's why I'm telling you how much I'm spending and how much is the profit. So in this one, this was $1.95 plus the two-tone dye that I use. Let's say $1 each, and let's say another $1 for the rhinestones. So we're looking at $5. The investment is $5, so you're gonna sell it between $14.95 and $17.95. Okay, this is all for me, you guys. May the Lord bless you and keep your family safe all day, every day. See you next time.